Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday hosted by Jenn, a sassy Southern NC girl. So be sure and check out her channel and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Everything's listed in my description box down below. All right, I have got my 2x2s and I'm gonna round them on the smallest here. I hope everybody is doing good. I am doing good. This is one of the most fun challenges because I basically use up scraps that I have lying around. And so I've gotten out my Christmas and fall. So I thought it would be fun to do some Christmas Twinchies. I did some fall ones a week or two ago, and so I thought I would do the Christmas one. It's time to get that ephemera ready for Christmas because it doesn't matter how much you think you have, it's never enough. All right, so let's get these inked up. So it hasn't been a whole lot going on. Just day to day. Our schools have started back. Our public schools have. So the kids are getting, I don't have to worry about that now, but the kids are getting back into the swing of things. All right. So let's see here. I've got that. And let's see how I want to lay this out here. I've got some cheesecloth, and I have got this cute little ticket. And I have got this little, whoops, it flew away. So I thought I would do something kind of along that. I have got some of this I thought would be pretty on here. I've got this little lady. And I'm basically just trying to get the white edges off. I should have already done this. I usually do, and I just forgot. Okay, I've got some of that green fabric. So I think I want to kind of do that. And we have got this old-fashioned Santa, which I thought would be pretty here. And I've got this teeny tiny little saying that says, Christmas waves a magic wand over this world, and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful. So I thought that was sweet. And I have some gems there. And then I have got some more cheesecloth that apparently got something in it. And we'll put that little girl on here, and we've got this saying. It says, Christmas is not as much about opening presents as opening our hearts. Amen to that. And I had one of these little flowers laying around, and I thought that would be perfect. So see, a Twinchie comes together so quickly. It's a little tiny piece of art, and I love it. Okay, so let's see here. I think I'm going to put this one down first because this one will be one of the more easier ones. I just was using this because I was filming my junk journal sketch video. It sure doesn't take it long to decide to stop up. good grief. I'm sorry. I was just using this. And I put the pen back in. I love my art glitter glue, but it sure is persnickety. Okay. We have got that. And we have her. And I will just trim off the bottom here. And now we'll start. I'm hoping my art glitter glue will hold this down. If I can get it to come out, I think I'm just gonna why it must be so hard to get along with. Here we go. So I'm just kind of following that. I have that. I'd really rather have the thin line. And I will add in these gems. So I say, I don't know what I did with my tweezers. I got a little caddy and they seem to just get lost in there. Well, that's pretty. Okay. So I'm going to put down a little, just to hold my cheesecloth, and I'm going to let it go all the way to the edge. And then I'll put down that. My little saying. And my little flower. Oh, two little things there. You know, 4. And then gems, depending on if you count it as 1 or gems as 1 or 3, since it's 3 of them. And we'll put this down. I'm going to have to take the lid off of this thing and really work on it. Let's see if we can get a little bit further on the and I do have these I think I want one there. One there, one there, one there. And there we go. I don't know if that would show up, but I guess we'll find out, won't we? I want to stick to my finger, but not to the paper. And there we go. And there are my Twinchies for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love these Twinchies. I do. I really like them a lot. And be sure and check out Jenn's channel. I have it listed in my description box down below, as well as the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday. So y'all take care. I love you. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye, y'all.